It's everybody's favorite day of the week. It's cruise day. Here in San Diego, about to board the Holland America Koningsdam on our way up to Vancouver. This repositioning cruise, 7 days, stops in San Francisco, Astoria, Victoria Island, and then Vancouver. We leave port today. Ship departs at 5 p.m. Board time isn't until 3 o'clock for our deck. So for now, we're just gonna walk around the seashore here, get some coffee, get some breakfast, and enjoy this beautiful day. We'll start the day off with a little coffee and breakfast from the Portside Coffee and Gelato right here next to the pier. So here's the ship, and then right over here behind is a coffee place. So grab some food and drink and enjoy the views. Made it into the pier with their security. Next stop is check-in, and then on board. It's cruise day, baby. Right, so through security, no problem. Through the check-in process, no problem. Use facial recognition, scan your face, scan your passport, and zippity-doo-dah. Now we're just walking towards the ship. So far, no lines, no waiting area. Gonna come up to the obligatory take your picture before you get on the ship thing. What do you think? Working pretty good so far?
Very well.
All right, here we go. Last few steps. Oh, we are cruising, baby. All right, here's your boarding pass. Just like that, we're on the ship. We never stopped moving. From security all the way through. We just kept on walking. Fantastic embarkation. Down on deck 1 looking for our cabin. And here we are, 1093. We got the magic envelope. That's all. We are in the cabin. This is our interior cabin. Very nice. So, dropping off the bags, and then we'll go explore the rest of the ship. Oh, you got the spotlight on you. Looked like an angel.
Oh.
The buffet is open for business. A little bit of everything. Fruits, sandwiches, salads. The salad station. Fancy. Ooh, we got tacos and nachos. Dive-in burgers, one of the best burgers at sea, bar none. I don't care what you say, I'll fight you over it. So, just for now, having the French fries. We'll get the burger later. Oh yeah, smells like cedar. Smells good. Wow. Oh my goodness. Unpacked everything, so we're moved in, and now it's time for dinner. So we're heading to Tamarind, one of the specialty restaurants, Pan-Asian restaurant. We'll go check that out and see how it goes. It's usually yummy. So let's see. Let's go to dinner.
Okay, let's go.
All right, so we're in Tamarind. We placed our order. You can take a look at the menu, see what you would choose, and then we'll show you what we got. As we said, this is a specialty restaurant, a extra charge. You have a choice of starters, mains, side dish, and then dessert. Sat at a little table here by the window, a nice view out into San Diego Bay. A few people walking by. They happen to stand there right as I decided to talk and show you the view. So that's our view, the backside of people. So they started off with some shrimp crackers, and then some toppings to go on: soy sauce, chili sauce, scallions, and red chili paste. Our starters have arrived. We start off with the shrimp tempura, the lobster and shrimp pot stickers, the Chinese baby back ribs, and the scallops. Alright, our mains have arrived. I got the crispy duck on udon noodles, some mushrooms. We get the Thai basil shrimp and some crab fried rice. Best for last, we have our dessert, the passion fruit cloud, and the yuzu cheesecake. Looks delicious.
Yeah, you know what? They don't have it at the lounge.
Tamarind, the Pan-Asian restaurant, had a lovely dinner there.
Yes.
What was your favorite dish? Do you remember?
Shrimp tempura.
The shrimp tempura, one of the starters there, was very nice. After that, we went to the shops, did a little shopping, bought a souvenir, didn't get the full ship model, but got the next best thing. Got a Christmas ornament that has the ship on it, so makes for a small, more easily packable ship model, and it was a lot cheaper. That, then they had a trivia going on, a 60s music trivia in the BB Club, or BB King Blues Club. We participated but did not win. Did not win. Some people got 30 out of 30. They were really good. I mean, we knew most of the songs, but some of the artists escaped us. So, maybe next time. Then they had a raffle going on in the shops. We did not win that either.
Nope.
Did not come close. Then what did we do? Went to the theater?
Yes.
Went to the theater and saw the Holland America, get it right, Holland America Line's origin story. They talk about how they started and how long they've been cruising.
So we did what these days you'd call rebranding, and we went from this to this. And that was the last time that we were behind the curve.
There's no correlation between smokestacks and safety. Okay, we look at the posters and count the smokestacks in the posters and pick that ship to spend their $10 on. Well, companies, thankfully Holland America didn't do it, used to add fake smokestacks to their ships so they would have more stacks on the top so the immigrants would go on their ship.
That was really informative. Thought that was neat. Had no idea that they were the ones that started cruising Alaska. They were the very first, and that they transported so many people across the ocean. It's fascinating. So, long heritage of cruising there. We're going to head back to the cabin. We heard some live music going on at the Rolling Stone Club, so we stepped in for a few songs in there. Guys in there were excellent.
Mm-hmm.
Toe tapping.
Sweet Home Alabama was really good.
Yeah, that was a really good one. Had the DJ come up. He was a guest artist. He brought more cowbell. So any fans of Saturday Night Live will understand that. We need more cowbell. And he brought it. We did that, and then we headed back to the cabin. That's where we are now. We're gonna call it a night. Tired, tuckered out.
Good night.
So good night. We'll check in day 2, sea day. We'll see what kind of trouble we get into. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.